Hi guys, in this video we will see how to fix Microsoft Office error code 802840002 on your Windows 11 and 10 PC. And if you are also facing Microsoft Office error, Word, Excel and PowerPoint error, then here are the fixes. First one is launch control panel in your system, and here look for program and features. Click on it. Here uninstall or change a program in control panel open. Here look for Microsoft Office app, select it and click on change from the top menu bar. How would you like to repair your Microsoft 365? Quick repair and online repair. Make the check against option quick repair and click on repair from the top right corner. Ready to start a quick repair? This should not take very long, but you would not be able to use your Microsoft 365 and Office programs until we are done. Click on repair. Microsoft Office will now repair. Another or reset your Microsoft Office settings by pressing Win+I shortcut key. Here from the left side, click on apps. Thereafter click on installed apps, and here in search field type Office. Click on 3 horizontal dot against Microsoft Office and choose advanced options. Here scroll down and under reset option, if this app is not working right, we can try to repair it. The app's data would not be affected. First choose repair, and if this app still is not working right, reset it. Click on reset, and once repair and reset not solve your issue, then uninstall Microsoft Office and reinstall a fresh version of Microsoft Office from Microsoft Store. In between, there one more workaround is go to settings again and install Windows latest update. From the left side, go to Windows Update and click on check for updates. And if any update available, simply download and install it. Sometimes outdated OS may be a cause of Microsoft Office error appeared. Scroll down and choose advanced options, and here choose optional updates. And if any optional updates available, simply download and install it in your system. The next one is clear Office caches from your system. Go to open run dialog box by pressing Win+R shortcut key, and here execute the command as shown on a screen. This command path will also available in my video's description box. You may copy from there. Simply copy it. This command will clear your apps caches. Office app caches. Enter in run dialog box and click on OK. Here apps caches folder, Office file cache folder open. Select it and choose delete. It will clear your Office file caches and accordingly your error will be resolved. That's all.